B2B email marketing is the process of targeting and sending your email campaigns to other professionals or businesses instead of directing them to customers. Influencing consumers to make a purchase decision with a B2B email campaign is a complex task. Having to deal with long buying cycles is common for B2B practitioners. Business owners need to make a lot of efforts to maintain communication with leads. However, email marketing can be one of the best options and channels to deal with the long sales cycle. Therefore, establishing a B2B lead generation process is a great way to generate more sales and grow your business through B2B email marketing. Essential B2B marketing strategies for your business. Converting leads into customers and driving traffic to their website is one of the biggest challenges for B2B marketers. However, building an email list to maintain contacts with them can be helpful to an extent. The essential strategies needed by businesses to improve their B2B marketing are as follows. Offer a free consultation. One of the effective tactics to build a B2B email list with qualified leads is to offer a free consultation. This enables website visitors to meet people behind the business and know more about the business. This strategy allows businesses to add a human touch to the lead generation process, which enables them to share successful case studies, build authority and trust, learn more about your prospects, cross-sell your B2B products or services. Free consultations help businesses learn more about the customers and are very useful when offering high-ticket sales. The customer conversion rate is worth the resources spent by businesses on the consultation. Promote email content on your website. Promoting exclusive content to email subscribers on your business website helps them understand that you want to have direct communication with them. It helps add a more personal touch for the new subscribers or people who are considering subscribing to your emails. Email content is beneficial for SaaS companies as it helps educate and nurture their leads, which eventually gets them to sign up for their products. Focusing on highlighting exclusive email-only content on your website makes your target customers feel like VIPs and makes them want to subscribe more for your products. Be transparent on your sales tactics. Being transparent with email list subscribers is essential for a B2B email marketing campaign. Having a solid commercial goal when sending your emails and being honest is crucial for B2B companies for their email marketing strategies to be successful. Confrontation emails, for instance, can be used to understand what type of content your customers want to receive from your business. Sharing your company's privacy policy with them, on the other hand, helps them be aware of the messages they receive from you. Host a webinar and include an educational topic. Another interesting way to build a B2B email list to host a webinar. This strategy allows businesses to provide useful content for clients and customers and helps them stay up to date and understand more about their B2B company. Few studies show that a majority of B2B marketers make use of webinars and include educational topics in them to generate leads and help them have a better understanding of their industry. Add a free trial option. Offering a free trial option enables your leads and prospects to learn that they have nothing to lose while trying to figure out what your business has in store for them. This is a perfect strategy to target those people who prefer convenience over going through all the information before making a final decision or commitment towards your business. On the other hand, a free trial also allows them to use the tool you provide and understand its value while allowing you to get their contact information and send onboarding email to them. B2B purchasers prefer to self-educate themselves about the product before making a decision. Therefore, offering them a free trial option is one of the critical strategies for B2B companies. Tips to automate B2B email marketing campaign. B2B companies can set up a sequence of emails to send their prospects and clients automatically. This allows them to convert leads into customers and helps to better the entire B2B email marketing campaign. The following are few tips to automate B2B email marketing. Use behavior-triggered emails. Create email drip campaigns. Automate resending emails for non-openers. Set up email autoresponders. Set up email automation with conditions. Every new sale that is generated from an email campaign counts for B2B companies. Therefore, it is crucial for them to use various strategies to make their email marketing campaigns successful. Conclusion. B2B companies need to formulate various strategies, and craft their email marketing campaign in such a way that it helps turn their B2B leads into customers. Understanding the sales process is essential to improve your B2B email marketing and sales performance. Therefore, businesses need to ensure they should not let go of any opportunity to make their email marketing campaigns successful with personalized content and automated B2B emails. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.